Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to download a Word document from your OneDrive account in 2025 step by step using your web browser. So make sure that you stick around until the end so that you don't miss any of the important tips for choosing between Word or PDF format. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. It can be any web browser, but if it is Microsoft Edge, it would be good and very easy for you. So here in the search bar, you need to simply search for onedrive.live.com, and here you need to simply log in with the help of your Microsoft account. Now, once you are inside your OneDrive, you can either browse through your folder, or you can also use the search bar here in the top in order to search for the name of your Word document. For example, let's say the name of my Word document is document. So you can simply search for it and you will be able to find it just like so. Now you need to click the checkbox or simply right click on the file that you want to download. After right clicking on it, you will be able to see several options. Now among these options, you need to simply select the download option and the file will be started downloading immediately and appear in your downloads folder on your PC. Now the second method of downloading your Word documents would be with the help of this home tab. So if you click on the home tab, you will be able to see this Word tab here in the top. So you can click on the Word tab in order to just check out all of the files that are in the doc format. Now over here, just right click on the three dots right next to it, and here you will be able to see the download option. So you can simply just click on the download option over here and you can download this file very easily. Now if you want to download any file as a PDF, you need to select the PDF file, click on the three dots right next to it, and you will be able to download it in the form of PDF as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe for more cloud storage tips, and comment if you want a tutorial on any other topic. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.